To another video, and in today's video we have a very important technical analysis update on Bitcoin, because Bitcoin and the entire stock market plunged like crazy in the last couple of hours. So I haven't uploaded a video in a couple of days. I was a bit busy. Today is a very important day for Bitcoin because we have rallied downwards like crazy. So we're gonna look in the charts in just a few moments and see where we can potentially head and if we can potentially bounce from this area. So let's quickly head into the charts for Bitcoin. So here we go. Look at this, guys. So in the last video, we had this symmetrical triangle forming on the 4-hourly and on the daily chart. So if we go to the daily, look at this, guys. Look at this beautiful symmetrical triangle that formed after a bull flag. So we had this pole from a bull flag right over here, and we had it all the way here. And now this was actually not bullish. You know, a symmetrical triangle, if you guys do not know, it can break onto both sides. And here we broke to the downside. And I actually predicted, go watch my last video. I actually predicted that we would break more likely to the downside. So look at this, guy. So now let's get rid of this pole and see what has happened. So this is the daily chart for Bitcoin. And look, we broke out of this parallel channel, which we have in turquoise, and we broke out and it was a fake breakout. And everyone thought if we retested to this area, we could potentially like moon from here. Everyone thought this. But that is not the case, and that is not what happened. So we broke back inside this parallel channel. And look at this, guys. We also have a ascending triangle forming for Bitcoin since the 13th of January this year. So we had a huge symmetrical triangle forming. If you guys don't see, let me show you real quick. Look at this, guys. Boom. Look at this. It's the green and red resistance, support and resistance line. So that's a huge triangle forming for Bitcoin. And we broke out very early over here. We broke out very early. And I think it's very healthy in that we've made it back into this triangle. So we are actually at a very critical point because we are currently at, 48,000 and $363, and we need to stay at this line, and we should not break down, guys. If we break down, then it's terrible news for Bitcoin, and the next target is potentially this prior resistance of $37,500. So let's make a resistance line here, because that is probably where we will head next, and we do not want that to happen. So this is a very strong line of resistance for Bitcoin, and this is potentially where we can head to in the future if we break down. So these are my two support lines for Bitcoin. As you can see, I have one here in yellow and the other one here as well. So if we break below this, because this is resistance as well, the next target will be $37,500, which is something we do not want, okay? We want a higher low, okay? So currently, if this is the low, then boom, that's a higher low. That's still a bullish trend. But if we break down to this line of resistance, then it's no longer a bullish trend. So let's look into the 4-hourly and see what's going on. So as you can see on the 4-hourly, there's still 1 hour and almost 30 minutes to close. So we are actually bouncing right off of this resistance line, which is amazing. So we need to bounce, okay? It's actually currently nighttime where I am, so I'm gonna have to sleep and I'm not gonna be able to watch the chart. Therefore, I'm not opening a position, okay? I'm not gonna be opening a position because if we bounce from here, then our next target is back to $44,500, which is amazing. So that would be great if that happens. But if we don't bounce and we break to the downside, then that will be catastrophic and we will head down to $37,500. So that is a quick little TA update for Bitcoin. This is the current situation right now. It's not ideal. And if we look at the correlation with the S&P 500, look at that, guys. It's literally at all-time high correlation levels. S&P is dumping, so is Bitcoin. However, what our aim is Bitcoin is currently being traded as a tech stock. Therefore, it's following the stock market. But what needs to happen is Bitcoin has to be traded like gold because it is digital gold. And I don't believe it should be traded as software, although it is. So that's a very controversial topic. However, we need it to be treated as digital gold, whereas Ethereum needs to be treated as a tech stock. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. That is a quick TA update on Bitcoin. And if you guys liked that format, then make sure to check out my next TA videos. Oops, I almost broke my table there. Make sure to check out my next. This will be my format from now on. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please do subscribe and leave a like if you enjoyed the video. And turn on your notifications because last time I predicted the drop exactly a few hours before it happened. So you need to turn your notifications on to not miss any TA update, guys. This is full on technical analysis, no fundamental analysis here. Fundamentals for Bitcoin is very stable. And if we just base it off fundamentals, then we should be like skyrocketing right now. However, that's not what's happening. So I'm focusing on the TA for now. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next video.